down.
Oh, damn, I said it. Oh well.
No, you don't count, rascal. No!
Go get it!
Want it? Want it?
Woo!
Whoop.
Come here, rascal! Come here! Boy, you better give us back that sock.
I got it. I'm gonna get it.
Actually, I didn't.
I don't feel like playing with you.
Grab it. Let's go. You ready? Well, get ready. Go get it. Brittany, you're light to have it.
Oh, ask with my finger. Lego. I'm a cheater.
Hi. He'll bite you, but not me. So he sits and waits for us to do it. Where's No. Oh, it's up there because you can't get it. Push. Okay, go get it. Oh!
She doesn't want to.
I hit myself in the eye. I'm gonna bleed.
Yeah, something to bleed.
My sister kind of let a leg open with her nail.
Well, that's not a song.
My head hurts now.
It hit him in the vein. Wasn't my plan, but oh well.
Go get it.
Mama, okay.
My hurts now.
This dude at the fire department, he makes you believe he's dad's age and makes like there's so many people at the fire department that believes him that he was in World War Vietnam, and next week at like Washington, he's gonna be up there and he has 2 kids and they're going with him.
Okay,
And
ready?
he makes people believe it, and he charges
Ready for
it,
this?
but